Hello again. Let's go back to our app. In my case, I went back to my home screen and I already made some changes here. So you see that the images are all in now, and here it would say Gallery 1, Browse Gallery 1, so I already renamed it into Gallery Attractions so that I don't lose track of what I'm doing. The same as for these labels, the titles, I already renamed it for something that makes sense for me. Well, now I want to click on this arrow and go to the info related to the castle. And when I click on this next arrow, I want information regarding the convent and continuing it for the next attractions. So let's build a new screen. I will choose a new screen, a scrollable one, because I have a lot of information, and I will insert here a gallery. Let's look for it. It's here, gallery. I'll choose this flexible height so that I can and I want this gallery in here, and instead of this custom gallery sample, I wanted to connect it to the other gallery that I had. So gallery attractions, and I want, when I click on the other one, I want the information to appear over here. So you see that when I choose this layout, I have information, but it's not in the correct places. So this, I want it to be the let me recall the name I gave. So it will be main attractions. This, instead of sample image, would be this item image, and here instead of image I would want it to be attractions info. Well, I can have here information, another picture, but probably it makes no sense. If I want to keep it, I will just put it here, this item image. If I don't want it here, I will just delete it. It will mark here as an X, because I will not be using the image that it was supposed to be here, but it's okay. And now I have to put this how I would like it to appear in my app. I could, for instance, put it here and put it in the middle. I could put it on bold, increase the number of the font size, for instance, and here you can see that I have here information regarding the castle, but not all the information is appearing. So I want, let's see, sorry, it's too small. When I click on here, I can change the size, for instance 600 or whatever. You will see what's looking best for you. And when I go here, I have other possibilities, like I could change the font, I could change the size, if it's on the right, on the left, on the middle, whatever. And I have also here possibility to choose more information about it, all the different possibilities. In this case, I want it visible. Let me go here to the gallery. Let's call it, in this case, let's rename it and call it gallery attraction, because it's only one. And under this title it's okay. Under the body, let's see, visible, okay, wrap, vertical align. It's supposed to be here somewhere. The possibility to scroll here, scroll bar on. So let's save it. When I click on all the gallery, you see you have the possibility to scroll. You have also the possibility to show navigation. Let's just give it a title. In this case, we will call it attractions. Oh, we can attraction, let's call it attraction detail. You can choose what you feel right. Okay, let's put a button, an icon over here to go back. In this case, I'll put this in white, and in this case, instead of false, I will use the function back, open and close brackets, and it will just go back to the previous screen, and that's it. Well, let's see how it's working. Saving first. If I see how it's working, if I want to see how it's working, I have to go back to the tree view and the home button so that I can follow all the steps through. So main attractions, now the castle. Oh, I haven't said what function would be here under this arrow, so it will not be working, of course. I will have to say that when clicking on this button, I will navigate to the screen, main attraction screen. Okay, now let's save it. So navigate to main attraction screen. Let's go back to the home button, main attractions. It's still not working. Let's try to see what's happening. Okay, let's come here. When you come here, main attractions, let's see what's wrong on it. Navigate, yes, to main attraction screen. This is the name of our next screen. Of course not, it's not. So that's why it's incorrect. This screen name is screen 1. Let's rename it and call it attraction detail screen. Okay, And now let's go back to our main attraction screen here instead of this one. Okay, we will go to the screen attraction. Oh, let me take out the spaces. Okay, you see that you only have to do it on the first row. All the others will automatically be set. So navigate to attraction detail screen. Let's save it. Let's go back to the home button, the home screen, sorry, and play it. And now, okay, should work. You see that you have already here the scroll button, so you have all the information here you need. Of course, if you want to set some more information, let's say that you want to put here the GPS location of the attraction, or you want to click here for a Google Maps, you want to display a Google Maps or whatever, you should input that data on your table, and then you will have the possibility to show more information on the same page. So that's it for today. Let me just remind you that when creating a new screen, you can create different types. Let's say the scroll type. You can create different types of galleries. We already created a vertical gallery, we created a flexible height gallery, but you also can create horizontal galleries just like this. So I will connect it to the same information set so that you can see how it works. So let's say that you want to create one screen. In one screen you want to create, for instance, places where to eat and where to sleep, and you want to put them both in the same screen. So you can do it, and here you would put, for instance, this item image, and it will appear here, and then we will put here this item region, and it will appear over here. So you would have the same. Let's just see it, how it works over here. We will have the same information, just it would be in a horizontal gallery. So you can choose different types of layouts under this gallery, and you can also input different types of media. Like if you want, you can add an image over here. Well, let's do this so that you can see that it's different from the background, because you can, oh sorry, this you can move it whatever you want, and it's not the background image, so you can put a logo or something that you want to keep in every page. For instance, you can add it here. So just upload, choose an image from your computer, and you will have it over here. Also, it's possible to include, not in terms of media, you can include images, but you also can include videos, audio, all different types of media. So it's up to you to choose, and if you have doubts, please use the discussion page on TwinSpace. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you do well, Generation Z. Thank you.